Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You already have what matters, a Google account and browser access. First, go to Calendar. Google, and sign in. Once done, find Other Calendars on the left. Click the plus button, select Create New Calendar, then name it for the team. Add a description and time zone so events sync correctly across regions. Save the new calendar. Now you have a container to share. Make sure to note the calendar name. This keeps invites and settings clear as you move forward. Next, you configure access. This is where control and collaboration happen. Open settings for the calendar, then share with specific people. Add each teammate by email and pick a permission. Make changes and manage sharing for admins, or see all event details for members. Once added, Google sends notifications. Remind people to accept invites. If your organization needs broader access, enable domain sharing carefully and choose read versus edit rights. This prevents accidental deletions while allowing coordination. Finally, start adding events directly to that shared calendar. Select it from the calendar dropdown when creating an event, invite guests, and attach agendas. Use recurring rules and set default notifications so everyone gets reminders. Verify event time zones to avoid confusion. Once complete, communicate conventions, titles, locations, and color coding. If someone can't see events, first confirm sharing permissions and that they accepted the calendar invite. Then clear browser cache or try incognito. These quick fixes resolve most sync problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.